Okay, so I was the last one to submit for this, and I have absolutely no preparation for my lightning talk, but I wanted to talk about creating uh, a site out of Markdown pretty simply with a library I created called Markata. Um, so I'm going to create a site um, out of here, and I called it my tills. So we're going to do um, we're going to copy all the tills from my current website over to this. So I got a bunch of Markdown. Um, Now what I can do here, I don't have a virtual environment, but be able to run it out of PipX. Should have prepared a little bit better for this. You can see we're setting uh, SEO descriptions and kind of fixing up some HTML here. If we run python-m, oh, already got that one in use. Let's do grab 802, and we can go to 8002, and we have this nice little site, and it has all of my today I learned type posts in it. And if I hit source, you can see it's got all of the OG tags out of the box. If we add just a little bit more config with an image template, we will get the nice little OG images, just like this one. So this is kind of what your post looks like um, with pretty little effort. I know on my personal blog, I went, took me a long time, a lot of work to get all of the OG images, the SEO, and things such as RSS and a sitemap. So if we go back here, you can see we already have RSS out of the box. And oh, I don't have anything automatically published. So maybe we can just grab this one and go status published. Forgot on my site, I have a special plugin built to automatically publish tills after they've their date is greater than today's date. So if I refresh, now we have this 2 minutes to stow is live, and it should be also in a sitemap. So you can give this to something like Google Search Console. Real quick, let's don't know if we have enough time, but we'll try edit Markata. And just sneak one out of here. We can add different feeds. Currently, I don't have these set up to produce RSS feeds. That'll happen in the future, though. But we can do things. Let's see if we can do it. Python in tags. If we rerun our build, fingers crossed, pray to the demo gods, and see what we get here. What I call it, tagged, ad name. So now these are all my Python posts. It looks correct. Most of these have Python in the name. So they're any tag or any post tagged Python. We can rename this real quick. Rerun it. I do have a TUI that kind of auto runs, but doesn't work when you're doing configuration changes. So there, now I have a Python page. Again, so I've got this published out here, markata.dev. It's on PyPI as well.